Guys, welcome back. I was just outside and I just saw a dead bird. Actually, Batman saw it, but there's a dead bird on the ground. That is so sad.
Oh, it could be a feather.
No, there's a beak.
Oh yeah, there's definitely
There's a beak. Yeah, there's a face.
I feel like
Maybe I should touch it with the roof.
No, that's not to touch it. What are you doing?
No, it's dead. It's dead.
Throw it away.
It's dead. It's dead. No, don't throw it. I'm not touching it. Where? Oh my god. Its eyes is closed. It's dead. Oh my gosh, it's dead. It's so cute though.
What are you doing?
It's dead. It's dead. Rest in peace, little guy. We love you.
Well, I was the one who found it, so
Yeah, Batman, thank him.
yeah,
Leave in the comments if you feel bad for this bird.
I feel like that one, but at the same
He probably
time,
fell from his nest. If there's like a nest up there, is there a nest?
maybe he's trying to get food,
Maybe.
and then a gun size.
Did
Wait, no,
something
that's
eat
not
him?
blood.
Maybe he. Oh my God! Look at those claws. Look at that claw jaw. Look at it. Oh, look at that claw. Look at that claw right there. Rest in peace, little dude. He probably just fell from his nest, and he probably fell from his nest, and then he never had the time to like start flopping his wings, and he fell. If it's really high for us, it's even higher for him. Rest in peace, little dude. Love you. Leave a comment. Rest in peace, little dude. No, he's dead. He can't
I don't
breathe.
care. Just let him have some air.
Rest in peace, little dude. We
Say
love
the last
you.
word.
We love you.
That was the last word.
We love you, little dude.
I'm sorry.
Show a heart sign. What the heck?
Wait,
Okay.
what was that noise?
No, that was the neighbors. Wait, hold the camera on him. Come here. Hold the camera on
Oh
him.
my god. He looks more creepier.
Hold the camera on him.
I
for
feel
me.
like if...
Hold on the camera.
Okay.
Hold the camera. We love you, little dude. We love you.
Stephanie, see that,
He knows how to die, I think.
no, see how, look at that,
Piece of grass.
yeah, probably got stabbed there.
Johnny.
For him, it's very sharp.
No, it actually isn't. Rest in peace, little dude. We love you.
Or maybe that was just in his
We're gonna leave you alone now. You're in a better place.
Like and subscribe to save the bird.
like and subscribe to save these
Just
little
put sad
dudes.
music on this video.
Yeah, I am. But guys, if you're a vet, please help this dude.
Yeah, well, there's no...
Well, he's already dead, so you can't.
Yeah, so
Look
we
at that
should make a grave for him. Like
Look at that cute
like
little
what
face.
we did with fish.
Yeah, we do that with our fish.
Yeah, except they haven't died in a while. Like
Yeah.
this is the best batch of fish ever.
But we love you, little dude. We're gonna leave you be. We love you. I hope you have great life in heaven.
Hold on, look up and we're gonna say hello.
Hello, little bird.
Hi, bird. Are you in the trees? Because probably heaven for him is in the tree eating
Yeah.
worms.
Yeah. Well, buddy, hope you have a good life.
Bye.
Bye. We love you.
Bye, little
I barely even knew you.
Don't
Bye.
get better.